Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm sharing with you guys the recipe for a French onion soup with some toasted French baguette and melted Gruyere and Emmental cheese. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by peeling, halving, and thinly slicing 4 or 5 large onions. In a large pot over medium heat, melt 3 tablespoons of butter with a nice drizzle of olive oil. Add the onions and mix them so they get nicely coated with the butter and oil. Keep it over medium heat and stir from time to time. We want to cook and caramelize the onions slowly. In the meantime, shred some Gruyere and Emmental cheese. We'll use it to top the soup later. You can also use one or the other, but I like using a combination of both cheeses. Slice some French baguette. For the size of bowl that I'm using, I like cutting it in an angle to have longer slices. Drizzle both sides of the slices with some olive oil. Sprinkle with some flake salt and some thyme leaves. Then, toast the baguette slices in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven until it starts to brown. By now, the onions should have cooked off a lot of their water content and started to get nice and soft. At this time, you can season the onions with some salt and fresh ground pepper. Remove the baguette from the oven and set it aside. The onions will start to brown and caramelize. The whole process can take between 35 to 40 minutes. Don't try to speed it up by raising the temperature. Keep it over medium heat. Once the onions are nice and dark, add a good splash of brandy. You can also substitute with dry wine, sherry, or red wine. Deglaze the pan with the brandy, then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is optional, but will help give some body to the soup. Stir the flour in and cook for a minute or so. Add 2 bay leaves and 2 sprigs of thyme. Then add 4 cups of beef stock. Bring it to a simmer, then cover and let it cook for an additional 15 minutes. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if needed. To serve, ladle the soup into bowls. Top it with the toasted baguette slices. And a nice amount of the shredded cheese. Place the bowls in the oven with the broiler on until the cheese is melted and bubbly and starts to brown. I like to serve it with a few extra slices of baguette and a little sprinkle of thyme leaves. And the French onion soup is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.